All right, hook secure. Ready? Go ahead, slow and steady. Copy that. Let's get it off the truck carefully. Chains are off, Supervisor. Ramp is down. Winch it out slowly. Be mindful of the rust.
Guys, keep it coming, guys. Steady, steer left. Almost there. Stop! All right, let's see what we are dealing with here. Check that panel for rust. We need a full report on this engine. All right, team, let's break this down. Chris, check the engine bay. Look at the suspension and the gassing rust. We need a full report on this interior. All right, team, let's get those panels off safely. Watch the alignment on that door. All right, team, let's get that rusty hood off first. Great job, lay them on the rack. Excellent work today, let's clean up. Be careful with those headlight buckets. Easy does it, watch the chains. Hold it, one last hose here. Good, now pull it forward. Easy does it, line it up.
Got it, locking it down. I think this needs a deeper socket, right? Yeah, look at the end of the wood thing. Got it. Okay, let's keep going.
All right, pull it slowly, make sure those connectors clear the dash.
Got it, now.
Be careful with it, that part is irreplaceable.
Be careful with that column, don't rush it. Almost there. Got it. Okay, it's off. All right, easy on the left, pull back. Got it. Watch the headliner, guys. And down on the bench. Okay, Dave, bring that dash over. Okay, careful with that column. Got it. Dash is ready to mount that. Take it to the bench. Affirmative. Good, inspect those connections now.
The rear quarter panel needs to flow better into the door. Understood, I'll smooth it out further. Check the alignment of the sill panel.
Keep working on that filler, smooth out that fender, make sure the alignment's perfect. Yes, boss. Got it. Smooth out this area just here. It's still waving. Got it, boss. More light over here, Chris. Keep sanding until it's perfectly smooth. There's a spot here. See the light? Oh, yeah, I see that. It's subtle, but it's there. All right, slowly down. Down a bit, hold it there. Watch the clearance on the black side. That's good, lock it in.
Make sure that lower mount is perfectly aligned. Right. Got it. It's good now. Ensure the degreaser is completely dry before we tape this section. We don't want any contaminants under the pump.
The manual specifies 40 foot-pounds. Let's make sure we do that exactly. Ensure the gasket is perfectly aligned with lowering the head. Got it. Watch the far side. Bring it down slow, watch your head. That's good.
All right, make sure those wheels are seated properly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Looks good on the alignment. Excellent work, gentlemen. Installation is complete. It looks absolutely flawless.
We did it.
A true masterpiece.